Okay. Hey, what's up? This is City here for After Effects course, and welcome to second project of Sci-Fi VFX. See, let's start. So, this is a simple footage with live action. Take a look. I want to create a screen like this. Then, after this, I want to touch to the screen, and I want to change to next shot and next. So, first, I need to create a solid and right here, screen, change the color to blue. Okay. And then press T, change opacity down like this. Okay. Turn off your video as audio and lock. Select your solid, go to effects and presets. Right here, corner pen. Drop corner pen to your solid. And then move your solid corners to your fingers like this. Move this one up there, here, and here. So, and now press page down for moving frame by frame. Stopwatch all corner pins like this. So now press page down. So let's create a ruler. Press Ctrl plus R and create guideline. Set one guideline there. Set. And create another guideline. Set here. And move this guideline right there. Not bad. Let's move here. Move this point down and set this guideline right there. And move here. Okay. Let's play now. Not bad. I want to start from here. So hold Alt key, break, and play. Good. Okay, guys. I need to make more expand the screen. So after create, take a look. Press S, stopwatch, and make until it scale down the size, move corner to center right there, and make expand like this. So play now. Good. So, and now when I want to touch there, where? There. So you can use by expand the folder and find your favorite sci-fi elements motion design. Like, let's see the line, let's see the targets, the circles. Select this one, double click. There's the targets. And you can find the screens from here. You must find screens. We have a lot of screens presets. Let's see. Where is the screens? There is the screens. We have a lot of screens. So let me close all of them. Let me use this one. Close another compositions. So there's the circles. You can use circles like this. And there is the bar. And close, close, close. Let's select this type of screen, load there, delete. Let's select this one, drop here. So press V for move tool, press F4 to load mode, change to add, and move to up here. And let's play. Play now. Start from here. Good. So now I need to change my screen. Take a look. I need to change. So let's load another one. There I have another one. Let's select another screen and press F4 to turn on the mode and make add. And let's move there. And now hold shift, select both composition, press P for the position, stopwatch, and select both. Let's bring there. And now make lock. Take a look. Make lock. I mean, set a keyframe and then move again the screen like this. Not bad. So guys, let's play now from the start. Press space and play now. Let's check one touch move and so select these two keyframes, make more forward, set here and play again. Move backward, move this one backward. So play now. Good. So let's see the final. Okay, guys, if you need to add, great. So you can find there. Go to your presets, find there, great, great. So where is the grade? There's the grades, and select the first one, double click, and wait for the sample of the grade background and make play. Let's see, is there any animation or no? Yeah, there's a sample type of animation. Okay, and now let's go back to Final Comp. Right click here, make pre-compose, move all attributes, right composition name, screen. Okay, and now double click into screen. So there we have grade 4 and select the grade 4, drop there. And now go back to your Final Comp. Let's see. And so select screen, press T for the opacity. Go back to Final Comp, press space, you can see great here. So if you need to make animate for the grade, let's go back to the screen, make this one as opacity to 50 or 45%, and select the grade, press T, turn off, and then make 100. So let's change the color. Select Ctrl Shift plus Y. Change the color to make darker. Go back to final comp. Let's see the other elements. Not bad. Let's change the color. Ctrl Shift plus Y. Change to white color. Okay, okay. Let's see. Too much bright. Ctrl Shift plus Y. Change the color to blue. Okay, okay. Let's see the final comp. Screen make passive percentage to 30, and let's play the final result. Press space and wait for rendering. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about second tricks of sci-fi touch screen, and let's go to next part.